because my dad's buying this land. I'll be right back quickly.
Are you ready to do this?
Nope.
You're not ready. We're gonna do this? We're buying the land? Are you ready to live in the country with me? Forever? You never can leave?
No.
What? And seriously, you're never leaving.
I already plus it.
Thank you for submitting the document. Oh, we did it!
Learn more.
It doesn't matter.
I just learn more.
Oh, we did it, baby.
Now I can go. Thanks, bye.
So yeah, I bought that land. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you what I plan on doing with it. And how. How. That's the important part. I know when we talked before, I was talking about needing some space. And then I realized that this shop isn't gonna get any bigger, ever. Because this is my wall, to my house, and that's my neighbor's wall to their house. And you know, with this whole pandemic thing, kind of feels like space is a nice luxury to have. I don't live in a huge city. It doesn't tend to have a lot of crowding overall, but what I needed space for was for my shop. Definitely want to bring this guy. Oh, this guy. This guy is the root slayer. He's definitely coming. So that's part one of this master plan, is to just build my dream shop. Definitely gonna need this guy. Ooh. So the second part of this is to build a high performance, durable building, house, home, all of the above. So once I started researching construction, since it was going to be something I was going to hire somebody to do for me, man, I learned so much about high performance building and actually how that's different than just building a house that meets the minimum code. The minimum code is like a D-. It's just passing, you can get to the next grade, but it's not going to work really well. It's not going to be high performant. There's so much more that you can do. So once I found that out, I was like, you know, this really is something that I should take the time. It's gonna cost a little bit more, but it's so worth doing now than if I just built the minimum and wish I had something that was more comfortable to be in and was more energy efficient and had better indoor air quality and all that stuff. So a high performance building is the next layer of my master plan. It's a must-have. And the last part of this master plan, it's been so nice not having a mortgage that I want to keep that going. So if I could build this without a mortgage, I just feel like that's going to set me up for the second half of my life, and just making sure I've got my investment strategy in place and all that stuff. If I can do that early, I can get ahead of the game. And that's something that is really attractive to me right now. Now, of course, money is really cheap to borrow with our current interest rates. So I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to do that or not, but I want to have the flexibility. And if I built without a mortgage, I could always get a mortgage on the property and then use that money to invest if that's what I wanted to do. You know, I've got a couple options from there, but having the flexibility is going to be really awesome. So that's the last part of the master plan. Definitely need this guy. This is going to be an interesting project, a huge challenge. I hope I'm up for it. So if you excuse me, I've got a jungle to clear. We'll see you out there.